Hi, it's Matt from Sunshades. In today's video, we're going to show you the new Hunter Douglas PowerView Generation 3, how to change a limit. If a shade is either too high or too low and you want to get it just right, how do you move that limit? With our previous PowerView Gen 2, you had to use the remote control as well as touching the motor at the shade itself. This is much easier. Now it's all controlled by Bluetooth, and all you need is your smartphone or a tablet. Open up the Hunter Douglas app, and then you're going to select on your bottom column, it says more, so you can get to where the shades are. Then you click shades. Find out which shade in your home that you'd like to do that. I'm gonna select this banded shade where we've got it a little bit off the sill, and in the fully closed position, the vanes actually don't line up correctly. So we're gonna fix that and we'll show you how easy it is. Now we've selected our shade. It's gonna take a second to recognize, okay, we've got the shade. Now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to advanced options. Then we're going to hit modify the shade's limits. Once we've selected the shade that we want to modify the height, it's going to give you some arrows, and in our case, we need to make it a little bit lower. So we're just going to tap down until we get it exactly where we want. I like that position. We're going to go back into the app where we would normally just control the shades, and we're going to get to that shade and try it out and see if we did what we're supposed to. So I go in, I found my banded shade, and I want to test the limit. So I'm going to bring it up maybe 10 inches. Then we're going to drop it back down and see if it programmed our new limit. That's how easy it is on the new PowerView Generation 3 to change any limits on the shade, whether it's the upper limit or the lower limit. Thanks so much for joining us today. That's our latest video on PowerView Gen 3.